okay?
Okay.
When I say you're not making any sense, that doesn't mean continue to make no sense. That means stop and let me...
It's not that I'm not making sense.
I want you to do...
Can you record this? Can you record this?
Deputies responded to a hit-and-run crash that quickly escalated into multiple criminal charges.
I'm just sitting here for now, okay? Sorry, I had SARS. She was like halfway in the road, so I pulled in here.
Right, but I had somebody call saying that she made an illegal U-turn and went over a curb, went through some bushes. Ma'am, you need to stop yelling, okay?
Sorry, I was yelling at my husband.
Okay, that's probably not a wise thing to do either, okay?
My husband, yeah.
So,
he said the tires needed to be changed. I just went to my mom's
right,
house.
but listen to me.
Right here.
Right, but listen to me. Listen to me. I had a witness that watched you make an illegal U-turn, jump over a curb, then slam into a pole.
No, not at all. I went to the light. I made the turn, and then my car just it just went out of nowhere, and it just ran. I went to turn, and it just went straight. It didn't turn. It just went straight.
Okay. Where were you coming from?
Right here, my mom's house. My mom lives in the town center.
Okay.
And I was coming down this way, and I went to turn, and then at the light, I was at the light. I went to turn.
Okay, so you came from this way.
Yes, this way. My mom lives in town center.
So
I
stop.
went. Okay.
Relax.
I'm sorry.
Take
I'm just
a breath.
I can't even believe it.
But you're making zero sense right now. So just take a breath.
Okay.
For me.
Okay.
Okay. So you were coming from this direction, going that way.
Yes, at the light.
Okay. And you went to turn where?
At the light. I went to make a left.
Right or left?
Left.
Okay, you went to make a
left. And then I went to turn around, and my car just went straight.
Okay, so you understand that making a U-turn right there is...
No, I went to make a left, and my car just went... My car just went like this.
Then how did you hit a telephone pole? Let me finish my question. You need to relax.
I'm just telling you that my car, I went to turn.
Listen to me.
And
Listen.
my car
Stop.
went
Can you
straight.
stop talking? Listen to me.
Okay.
Okay? When I say you're not making any sense, that doesn't mean continue to make no sense. That means stop and let me...
It's not that I'm not making sense. It's that I'm telling you what my car did.
Can you stop and let me ask the questions that I have to ask?
Okay.
That's what I'm trying
Benji,
to tell you.
Get in the car.
Okay?
Get in the car, Benji. Get in the car.
I have certain questions I have to ask, and you're not
It's
letting
no
me
problem.
because you're just continuing to talk over me. And you're still
questions.
talking over me.
I understand, sir.
Deputy Myers with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. Please stop talking.
Mr. Myers,
Please
I
stop
understand
talking.
what you're saying.
Please stop talking.
Okay.
Let me ask the questions. You
All
don't
right.
understand because I haven't gotten the chance to ask
Only
it yet.
because I'm telling you what I did with my vehicle. You
Give me your
asked me what I did
registration
with my vehicle, and I'm
Registration
telling
and
you what
insurance.
happened with my vehicle. It
Registration
bugged
and
out.
insurance.
I gave you my license.
Registration and insurance.
I'm at Publix. You need to come here.
Ma'am, I need your registration.
He said he needs the registration. I don't know where the registration is. Jake, you need to come here right now.
Is this the husband?
Like, yes, he's coming.
Okay, sir, just hang tight for me.
There.
Okay, hang tight. You need to stay over here.
Oh my God. Can
Okay.
you check that my kids are good? Like, my
kids-
son is frantic.
I
He wants to
asked
see
you
his
if there was
daddy.
any injuries and I need to call an ambulance.
Everybody's fine,
Okay,
but my
and this is
son
your
wants to see
sister-in-law.
his father.
And this is your sister-in-law,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Well, right now, we treat everything as a crime scene until we know it's not, okay? So right now...
It was an accident.
Sir, since you weren't here...
It was an accident. My car spasm.
Okay. Is she always this frantic?
You got in a crash with all my kids in the car.
I understand that, okay, but I'm trying to ask simple questions about the crash because what she's saying happened in the crash makes no sense according to the crash, okay? So she's saying she was going that way on Town Center to make a left onto Belterre, but she hit a pole on the eastbound lanes going this way on Town Center about 100 feet this side of Belterre.
I told her not to drive the car because the tires are bald and the tire rod's bad. So every time you hit the brakes, it yanks to the right, hard, like super hard.
But what I'm trying to tell you, though, is if she was going this way to make a left onto Belterre, she would have had to make a complete left U-turn and drive about 150 feet before she hit the pole. So she couldn't have been making a left turn onto Belterre, according to how the crash. I mean, you can see where.
The crash, she probably don't even know which way is which right now. You could tell it's banged up. She didn't hit it doing 5 miles an hour.
I understand that.
I just rolled the truck and same thing. I'm telling the cops I was going this way, guaranteed, and it's like, no, you're going this way. I mean, but from me crashing, I don't know.
Okay. All right, well, just hang tight over here while he can talk to her, okay?
One of y'all supervisors?
What's that?
One of y'all
I
supervisors?
don't
No.
know how to do this. Can you tell me how to do this? I get Gmail.
To have a call one?
Yeah, please. This is the registration.
Okay. And you don't have the insurance card, sir?
No, it's not. It's
Yeah,
on my
I got it in the
phone.
car. On the phone. I'm on the phone.
You don't have it in your phone, so you're gonna have to go to the
On the phone with who?
My lawyer.
Is that,
Said to call a
I got it.
supervisor
Yeah,
for a crash?
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's a crash.
Yeah, you trying to make it seem like I did it on purpose, like.
Okay, you need to step out of my just step back over to your vehicle.
So here's the deal, okay? I'm gonna explain something to you, all right? And we're gonna go from there, okay? So I'm gonna let you know right now, crash investigation is over, okay? The deputy's got all of his information.
Okay.
That part is done, okay? I'm beginning a criminal investigation right now, okay? I'm gonna explain that to you. I need you to listen to me, okay? Okay, ma'am, I need you.
No,
I
he
need you.
needs
I
to
need
come
you to
over
listen
here.
to. No, stay over there. Stay over there.
Mr.
They're
Johnson.
doing a criminal investigation.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna let you know what's going on, okay?
Supervisor.
Okay,
I definitely want a supervisor.
That's fine.
You know that impeding a criminal investigation is a crime, right?
Registered vehicle owner here. I was on the phone.
I didn't say that.
One of y'all asked her for the registered vehicle owner. I just
No,
had to rush in
none
for
of
the
us
phone.
asked for the register. She was already on the phone with you when I showed up. Okay? None of us asked for the registered vehicle owner. All right? Impeding in a criminal investigation is a crime in and of itself. Okay?
So, between my partner and I, both of us are picking up on several indicators of impairment, okay? Let me finish. What I want to do is dispel my suspicion and my concern that you may be under the influence, okay? What I'd like to do is I'm going to ask you a couple questions,
Okay.
I'd like to do some standardized field sobriety
Yes,
exercises.
yes,
they're
of
not
course,
they're not
of
mandatory,
course.
they're not required,
Of
okay?
course,
But
of course.
okay, listen. But if you don't do the standardized field sobriety exercises, okay, they're, like I said, they are voluntary. I cannot force you to do them. However, if you refuse to do them or you don't want to do them, then I'm going to make a decision based off of the indicators I've seen thus far, okay?
Okay.
Do me a favor, just
Yeah,
come
I'm
stand.
ready.
Okay.
I'm ready for you.
Okay, come
Don't
stand.
worry.
Can I finish?
Yeah, I'm ready for you.
Stand with your feet together, your arms down to your sides. I'm going to check your eyes, okay? Don't move your head.
I can't. All right.
Move your
Don't
eyes
move
and your
my-
eyes
all
only.
right,
Don't
eyes
move your
on me.
head.
Eyes on me.
Don't move your head.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm not. This is so embarrassing in front of my children. Like, I'm not drunk. I am not up.
Stop
I
talking,
just
stop
feel
moving
like
your head.
this is so embarrassing in front of my children.
You are
like,
you are
I
prolonging
literally.
this. You are
No,
prolonging
I'm not. I'm foling your light without
I need-
moving my head,
this.
like
I need
you
to
said.
Stop talking.
I'm upset because you are totally embarrassing me in front of my children. I'm not impaired, okay? My wheel went left
Are you going?
when he told me not to drive the car. I'm sorry.
Are you going to?
He told
are
me.
you going to do the
don't-
exercises?
Yes,
Yes or no?
but
Then I
he
need you to
told
listen
me,
to me.
like,
I'm not going to go.
this
I'm
is
not going to. I'm not
crazy.
going to do this all night with
This
you.
is
okay?
crazy.
You understand if you dispel our concerns.
No, but I
let me finish.
understand,
You're not.
but-
You can't understand
Okay.
words that I haven't spoken yet.
Okay, you're right.
Okay.
You're absolutely right.
You
You're
understand that if
absolutely
you
right.
dispel our concerns that you are not under the influence, then we will allow you to go and be on your merry way.
But-
we have to dispel our concerns
Okay.
as law enforcement officers to make sure that you are not. You understand
Okay.
that, right?
Yes, I do.
So just let us
I
do that so we
Okay.
can get done with
okay.
it.
You're
Okay?
absolutely right. I apologize and I'm so
Thank
sorry.
you.
I feel like I don't want to be embarrassed more in front of my children.
Then let's try to get this done without
Okay.
prolonging it any further.
Stand with your feet together,
All right.
arms to your sides. Keep following the tip of my pen. Continue following that light, okay? I'm going to make 2 big circles around your whole field of view, and I'm going to come in very close to the bridge of your nose. I'm not going to touch your nose, okay?
Okay.
Don't move your head. Keep your head straight.
Okay.
Straight looking at me, okay? And then follow the light.
Okay.
You got to open your eyes more. I can't see your eyes.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. It's just
That's okay. That's why I'm just trying to get you to relax so we can
so
get this
sorry.
done as quickly as possible, okay?
It's just I've never been in an accident
Okay.
ever. you know, and to be in an accident with my children.
I get it. Well, and that's why my concern when I first got on scene was to make sure that there were no injuries, make sure nobody was hurt. Okay?
Just to be with my children, it's just a lot. It's a lot.
So the next exercise we're gonna do, it's called the walk and turn. Okay, I understand what you told me about your legs,
foot. It's
your
just
foot.
this foot.
I got you.
It's this foot.
I will take that into account. Okay. You see this line right here?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clear it of any debris. So what I want you to do, put your left foot on the line and your right foot in front, touching heel to toe. Okay. Left foot on the line.
Okay, my right foot is a little messed up, so
That's
don't
fine.
blame me because
That's fine.
my right foot is messed up.
Okay, listen. Just listen to the instructions.
My right foot is
I know,
messed
but listen.
up.
You got to listen to the instructions he's giving you. Okay.
Okay, but I'm just saying I don't
Okay.
want to be like
All that's going to be taken into
judged
consideration.
because
Okay.
my right foot is messed
All that's
up.
taken into consideration.
Okay.
Just listen to what the deputy is telling you. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay. You are gonna take 9. On your 9th step, keep your front foot planted.
I took ROTC, so
Take-
you're right. I
take
know.
9
I know the
heel to toe,
pivot.
take 9
It's not a
heel to
pivot
toe
though.
steps.
Listen to what he's saying. It's not a
Okay.
pivot.
Yep, so take a small,
Halfway. Okay.
so take
I'm
a small
watching.
series of steps around
Yes.
that lead foot and take 9 heel to toe steps back.
Backwards. Okay.
Just any questions?
No, I'm good.
Do you understand the instructions?
Yes.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around. Right? Oh, sorry, it's my foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around. Sorry, my foot.
All right, so the next I got you. You're good. The next exercise.
I was in an abusive relationship for 6 years and he broke my foot.
So the next exercise we're gonna do, it's called the one leg stand. Okay.
Okay.
So what I want you to do for this one, you're gonna put your
On my
feet.
left foot, right? Not my right.
Just let me explain. Okay. Just listen to what he's saying. Just
Okay.
bear with me here. Okay. You're gonna put your feet together, arms down to your sides. Okay.
Yes.
When I tell you to, I want you to pick one foot of your choosing.
Okay.
Either your left foot or your right foot.
Right.
Whichever foot you choose, you're going to bring that foot upward approximately 6 inches, so roughly about the height of a soda can. Okay?
Okay.
You're going to hold that foot parallel to the ground, so pointing your toe outward, and you're going to count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, keeping your arms down to your sides while looking at that elevated foot. Okay? So it's going to look like this.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
1001.
You got it.
We're required to give you the
2002.
instructions all the way
Put it all
through.
the way out for you.
1004, 1005.
Wait, what I gotta count to?
Until I tell you to stop.
What? I'm full.
Okay. Do you have any
I'm ready.
questions?
No, I'm ready.
Do you understand the
Yeah,
instructions?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
You may begin.
1, 2.
No, that's not what I told you to do.
1001, 1002.
That's not what I told you to do. I told
That's
you
it,
6
six,
He
inches.
said
right?
6 inches,
Oh.
about the height
So I
of a
gotta
soda
walk?
can. No.
No? Okay, so right here?
About the height of a
6
soda can.
inches right here,
Okay.
keeping your
Okay.
foot parallel to the ground.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019.
Okay, stop.
Okay. Sorry. Like, I'm good. I tell you, I'm not, like, it was literally my wheel
Okay.
went crazy. It went haywire. Like, it went haywire, my wheel.
Okay.
And I should have listened to my husband. I should have just took the truck, the Yukon, to take to my mom's house. But I love the little car. What you need me to do next?
Do you know your numbers 1 through 100?
Of course.
Okay. So what I want you to do.
Can you record this? Can you record this?
Ma'am, everything's being video
I know
and
it is.
audio
Oh,
recorded.
I know it is. I'll
Okay.
I'll be presenting it in court.
Okay.
What I want you to do, you're going to stand with your feet together, arms onto your sides, and when I tell you to, you're going to tilt your head backwards. When I tell you to, I want you to look at me. I didn't tell you to do it yet. I'm giving you a demonstration right now.
What's your name?
My name is Deputy Myers.
Deputy Myers. I really appreciate you.
Okay.
I just want you
listen
to
to the instructions he's
What's your
saying,
name?
okay?
Deputy Katowski.
Patowski. I won't forget that.
So what I want you to do, when I tell you to, you're going to put your feet together, your arms onto your sides, you're going to tilt your head back, and you're going to close your eyes.
But
Okay.
record it.
Ma'am. What I want you to do is estimate the passage of 30 seconds in your head, okay?
30 seconds.
30 seconds in your head. You're going to count in your head with your head tilted backwards and your eyes closed, okay?
Yes, I closed.
When you are, I didn't tell you.
Meditation.
Okay.
Ma'am, just let him finish the instructions,
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Look at him and just listen
When
to
you-
him finish the instructions, all right?
When you are done, what I want you to do is you're going to bring your head forward. Whenever you think 30 seconds is up, you're going to open your eyes, you're going to look at me, and you're going to say done. Do you understand the instructions?
Yep.
Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Hello?
Okay. Completely deviated from the instructions.
I counted. He said, put my
Right,
head
but
back,
that wasn't
close
the
my eyes,
instructions.
100 and count to 30, and come
That's-
back to you. Like, I don't understand. I'm telling you what happened. I went to turn left. My wheel went crazy, and it went haywire. Like, I don't understand what you think is going on, but I'm gonna tell you straight up. I went to turn left to go home, and the wheel went crazy. Like, it's not my fault.
All right,
I
do me
should
a
have
favor. Do me a
listened.
favor. Face the car.
No, don't
Face the
touch
car.
me.
Fa-
Don't
stop.
touch
Face
me.
the car.
There's no
Put your
woman
hands- put your hands
present.
behind your back.
Don't do that.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your
Babe.
hands. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Babe,
Put your hands
there's
behind
no
your back.
woman
Stop.
present. I feel like you're.
Stop.
What
Stop.
are you doing?
Put your hands
What
behind
are
your
you
back.
doing?
You are under arrest.
What?
Put your
For
hands
what?
behind your hands. Put your
For
hands
what?
behind your back.
For what?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Put
I'm
your
not
hands-
resisting.
Put your hands
but
behind
you're
your back.
telling me for
Resisting.
what?
Put your hands behind your
There's
back.
no woman here present.
It doesn't
You're
matter.
touching me.
Stop resisting.
touching
Put your hands
me.
behind your
For
back.
what? For
Stop.
what?
Stop
What did I
resisting.
do? What did I do?
Stop
What
resisting.
did I do? What did I do?
Put your hands
What did I
behind your back.
do?
Stop
Tell me
resisting.
what I did.
You're driving under the influence.
No,
Put your
I
hands
did
behind your back.
not. No, I did not.
You're gonna get another charge.
No, I did not.
You're gonna get another charge.
I did not drive under no influence. I didn't do anything.
You're gonna get another charge.
Babe! No!
You're gonna get another charge.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Babe! Let go of me. You
No.
just want to take me for no reason. I passed all your tests. I passed all your tests. Babe!
Have a seat.
Babe!
Get in the car.
I passed all your
Get
tests.
in the car.
Get in the car.
I passed
You want
all
another
your
charge?
tests.
You want another charge?
I
We're
passed
past that
all
point.
your
Get in the car.
tests.
Get in the car.
I passed all your tests. I didn't do
Get
anything.
in the car.
I didn't do it.
Angelica was ultimately charged with driving under the influence, leaving the scene with property damage, neglect of a child, and resisting an officer without violence. Do you think she would have still been arrested if she had kept her mouth shut? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.